a man takes dedication. Molding a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Molding a man, add some civility. Molding a man builds your integrity. Molding a man brings dependability to family and his work.
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias, and in my videos what I'm trying to do is help parents, mothers, and fathers with raising their son into a great man. The videos are all geared towards raising that young man from adolescence all the way to manhood, college, and beyond. So hopefully you'll like the videos, subscribe to the channel, and help us communicate what is necessary in this world to create a young man into a great man. Looking forward to hearing from you. Looking forward to see you subscribe to my channel. And thank you.
5W Series Part 2. What? Everyone goes through life with a desire to make their dreams become a reality. You start off life with great aspirations to accomplish something amazing. As a young person, you depend on adults to develop your mind to take on the world's challenges. But with diverse environments, the support may not be available to cultivate your mind.
4 books every young man should have. First book is Molding a Man, where it goes from adolescence to college, talking about all the things a young man should be doing in order to become a great man. The second book, 10 Steps for a Young Man to Become a Great Man. It goes through all the things a young man should know about that'll help him become a great man. Third book, Code of a Man, which lets a young man know what being a man is all about. And the fourth book, Molding, Making a Woman, lets a young man know what he needs to look for in a woman to make her worthy of being a wife.
Aspiration, a hope or ambition of achieving something. The responsibility will fall on your shoulders to complete the development of what you will become. You no longer have the luxury of hoping that other people will provide the much needed education. People must motivate themselves to complete their cultivation and becoming the person that can add to society.
Ladies, I want you to help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you, and your son will thank you too.
Cultivation, process of trying to acquire or develop a quality or skill. Once the cultivation is complete, you can now figure out what it is that will be your purpose. The dream that you feel very passionate about will give your life purpose. The things that you want most out of life is to make a difference. Some of the common types of careers are doctors, lawyers, politicians, athletes. Find the resources needed to accomplish that goal. Make a difference with your purpose.
Will change a young man's outlook and how he goes about life and becoming a great man. There are great gifts, birthdays, Father's Day, Christmas, and it can be given to any young man that's starting off in life. They're available on Amazon, BarnesandNoble.com, and WritersBrand.com also. Go check them out on Amazon and get your copies. A young man should have all 4 copies to ensure that he will become a great man.
Purpose, one's intention or objective. After figuring out your purpose and starting the journey to accomplish that goal, understand that there will be many obstacles placed in your path. But stay true to your purpose and grind through those distractions. The results will be well worth the effort that it will take